Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can use Ritesh Agarwal classes app features on the web. Mainly you can use it for test purposes. So what you will do, you will have to use the web address web.class+app.com. Okay, this one web.class+app.com. So you will arrive at this page. Then organization code is RAC. Okay, RAC. Ritesh Agarwal classes in short form RAC. After that, you have to enter your mobile number, the number from which you have purchased the course on the app. Okay, so I am using one of my number, and you have to click on this proceed securely. Okay, if you are not from India, then this won't work. Then you can use your email ID for registering. Okay, so if you are from India, then you have to use mobile number. If you are from abroad, you can use your email ID. Now, after clicking the proceed securely, you will receive an OTP on your phone. And those who will register through email, they will receive OTP on email. So I have received the OTP. Now I will enter it here. Okay, now verify OTP, and you have successfully entered into this web login page. And here you will see your batches, but these are for means offline courses. So main thing you will get here is in the store part. In store, on the top you will see your purchased courses. So if you have registered for any course, you will see it here. And then other courses also are there. If you want to purchase, you can go through that, look at that. Okay, now suppose you have purchased any course, you will click on that, and you can see here the overview of the course. And main thing is here content. So in content you will get tests, test series, like that. So here is the test. Now if you click on the attempt test, the test will start. There are general instructions for the test. You can go through those, then click on next. Then it's saying there are 35 questions, 1 hour test duration is there, 40 marks test would be there. Then test instructions are also given here. Okay, so there are 4 sections, everything about that is given here. Now you have to click this. I have read and understood the instructions, and I agree. And then you have to start the test. So this way you can give tests on the web. So here, from here you can start your test. You can switch questions from here. There are various options. So if you have answered any question, that tab will become green. If you proceed without answering, then it would remain red. White means you have not visited those questions. Suppose there is some question you are a bit confused and you want to come back to solve it, then you can check this mark for review. It will become this blue color. So from here, this color coding, you can see after giving the test, okay, you have marked this blue, so you can come back to this and check this again. That you can do after marking the option also. Suppose in this question you find your answer is coming C. Now what you can do, if you are having some doubt in this, after marking this, you can mark for review also. So it's showing this blue circle with a red dot. That means you have marked the answer, but you want to review it at the end if you are getting some time for that. And if you won't be able to review it, then this answer will be taken as your final submission. Okay, from here you can switch the sections. From logical reasoning, you can directly go to the mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics, achiever sections, whichever sections are there. And if you don't go like this, then automatically after this 10th question, suppose this 10th question is there, and okay, after this, here this thing is not properly visible. Okay, you can't change the screen during the test. Otherwise, the test will auto submit. Okay, now this is opening properly. So after 10th question, if you mark any answer and submit or save and next, if you perform this, then automatically it will switch this section. It has moved to mathematical reasoning. Okay, so one by one you can go to the questions and sections. Automatically next section will appear, and if you want to change your sections, then you can do like that. So this way you can give the test, and after completing the test you can click this submit test. And then if you are confirmed that there are total questions, you have answered 3 questions, 2 are marked for review. If you are satisfied with all these details, then you can submit. Otherwise you can cancel and again check if there is something which you have missed or you want to solve some more questions, then you can do that also. Okay, so it will give you a brief summary before submitting. After this, if you submit test, you can't submit it again. And in any test, the first attempt will be considered for rank preparation. Okay, you can give test multiple times for your preparation, understanding, but first attempt will be count for ranking amongst the other students who will give the test. Okay, now I am submitting the test, and you will get the final detail here, how much score you have obtained. Okay, so I have done it randomly, so all questions are incorrect, so I have scored 0. You have to give test carefully so that you can score your maximum score. And after that you can check your answers from here. So you go to view solutions, then this green one is the correct answer and we have marked B. Okay, like this. In second we have not marked anything, correct answer is C. So this way we can check which answers are correct, and from that we should try to learn the concept, means why that answer is correct, and if our answer is wrong, why it was wrong, what mistake we have done. So we have to learn from our mistakes also. Okay, so this way we can give examinations on the Pritesh Agarwal classes web page. And after this, if test is complete, we can press escape button and we will go to the main window. Okay, and then we can close this test. This is the way to give test on Pritesh Agarwal classes web app. Okay, thank you.